So hello and welcome. As you can see, we are today in Visual Studio Code and I've just prepared for you 3 documents. First document is document Latex and this is a flow chart. So the second and third document, they are written in Python. And until now, I've just show you how to create some things in Latex, how to make nice differential equation, for example, how to make some equation, how to create some small things in Latex. But now, if you are interested, I will show you something new. As you can see, this is a Latex document which you can create with ticks and this and another. They are example of how to create something with Python. So if you have if you are interested in these things, so please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and I will just create for you 3 tutorials where I will explain all these 3 things. So have a nice day and bye everyone.